Welcome to our look at EpicUniverse, Universal Orlando's newest theme park. In this video, we'll cover the accessibility options the park is currently offering. Whether you're planning a visit or just curious, we'll break down how Universal is working to make this theme park an unforgettable experience for all.
Whether you're visiting with mobility needs, sensory sensitivities, or just need a quiet moment to reset, we've got you covered. Let's break it down by category.
Let's start with hearing accessibility. Heads up, there aren't closed captions with many rides or pre-show videos. The only location where I noticed this was during a small portion of the pre-show for the Frankenstein experiment.
One plus, the park relies heavily on mobile ordering for food, which is super helpful. You'll either show your confirmation at the pickup window or scan a QR code at your table.
Physically, the park has done a pretty solid job. There are ramps everywhere, and the lands are wide and easy to navigate.
Yeah, and the stores vary. Some are tiny, but others are spacious enough for wheelchairs and scooters.
As for the rides, there's support too. Belt extenders on Constellation Carousel, wheelchair transfer systems on Hiccup's Wing Gliders, and for the Untrainable Dragon Show, guests using mobility aids get a 5-minute head start to grab seats comfortably.
Don't forget elevators where needed. They're clearly marked and easy to find at Atlantis Restaurant and Super Nintendo World portal entry.
We also spotted sharp object disposal units in all restrooms, which is great for folks managing diabetes or other medical needs.
And we saw medical staff walking around the park, not just stationed in a first aid center, which was reassuring to see.
One thing I noticed is there are changing tables in both the men's and women's restrooms, with some locations even being equipped with adult changing tables.
Yes, that kind of thoughtfulness makes a difference. Plus, child swap is available, so if someone needs to stay off a ride, they can still switch with another adult later without having to wait again.
For guests with cognitive needs or sensory processing differences, the park has quiet nooks and crannies throughout where you can take a break. Generally, these are located in the same areas where you will find shade.
And some shows and rides offer pre-boarding, so you can load in quietly before the crowd, which can make transitions way easier.
So while it's not perfect, the park is making real moves towards accessibility, and it shows. If you or someone in your group has accessibility needs, planning ahead helps, but overall, this place is doing a lot right. If you have any questions or concerns regarding accessibility within EpicUniverse, drop a comment below.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more theme park tips and reviews. See you next time.